Christopher Columbus depicted the papaya as the fruit of the angels, and this is no surprise when we consider the sweet, tender taste of this fruit, with its soft consistency. The fruit is high in healthy components and offers various health benefits. It has potent anti-inflammatory properties which prevent serious health issues, and are of great help in the treatment of health problems like wounds, indigestion, including cancer, blood sugar level, and heart diseases. However, we need to inform you that you should stop tossing the seeds away, as they are the healthiest part of the fruit. The papaya seeds can be consumed ground, crushed, or raw with honey, in milk, or in salad dressings. This is how to consume them and enjoy their countless health benefits. Detoxify your liver. These seeds have been commonly used in traditional Chinese medicine for full-body detoxification, and they significantly improve the function of the liver. The regular use of a tablespoon of papaya seeds effectively removes the toxins from the liver. Studies have also shown that they can be of great help in the case of fatty liver cirrhosis. You should consume 5 seeds, fresh or dried, twice daily for a month in the case of cirrhosis. You can also grind up the seeds in a pepper grinder, or crush up if they are fresh in a mortar and pestle, and add them to a tablespoon of fresh lime juice. You should drink this papaya seed treatment twice a day for a month. Improve digestive health. This fruit is extremely helpful for digestion, and the seeds have potent anti-parasite and antibacterial properties, which help the elimination of harmful microorganisms from the intestinal tract. Also, papaya has strong anti-pathogenic properties, so you should consume a tablespoon of the seeds to treat food poisoning and destroy bacteria that cause digestion issues. Reduce inflammation and inflammatory diseases. This fruit contains 2 amazing enzymes, papain and chymopopin, which have powerful anti-inflammatory properties which efficiently soothe inflammation in the body in the case of arthritis, gout, asthma, joint pains, and other inflammatory diseases. Detoxify your kidneys. Papaya seeds are excellent in the detoxification of the kidneys as well, and their potent anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties prevent a toxin-induced inflammation of the kidneys. Lower high blood pressure. Many studies conducted on lab rats have shown that this fruit dramatically improves heart health. A compound it contains, carpain, effectively supports cardiovascular health, and the papaya seeds and leaves reduce diastolic, systolic, and arterial blood pressure, MAP. Prevent cancer. Papaya seeds have phenolic compounds and flavonoids, which act as natural antioxidants and decelerate the growth of tumor cells. Additionally, the phytonutrient isothiocyanate effectively protects against colon, breast, lung, and prostate cancer. Natural contraceptive. These seeds have been commonly used in the Indian culture as a way of natural contraceptive. Therefore, if you are trying to get pregnant, you should avoid the consumption of papaya seeds. According to the findings of studies done on male rats, the consumption of these seeds for some time has slightly reduced the production of sperm.